two topics for the notes. Differential equations with set values so that we can replace C with a specific value. And then we're going to look at a specific type of word problem that I think is kind of cool that differential equations can solve. And then, yeah, so let's say that we want to find the solution of, so this is how it'll appear on your assignment. Find the solution of y prime is equal to x over y when y of 0 is equal to 10. So how this is different from what we've done before is adding this y of 0 is equal to 10. Adding this here allows you to be able to replace c with an actual value. So our answer won't just be something, something, something plus c. We'll be able to replace that plus c with a realio trulio value. Right, we'll be able to replace c with a realio trulio number, a real live number. So we're going to go about this the same first few steps here, but when we get to the last step, we're going to have to change it. Okay, actually, we won't do it at the last step. We'll do it before the last step. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to replace y prime with dy dx equal to x over y, and then multiply both sides by dx. These cancel. Multiply both sides by y. These cancel. And I'm left with y dy equal to x dx. And then I'm going to integrate both sides. And I've got 1/2 y squared plus c is equal to 1/2 x squared plus c. And then subtract the c's from both sides, multiply both sides by 2. And before I take the square root, though, I'm going to get this is x squared is equal to, or sorry, y squared, not x squared, y squared is equal to x squared plus c. So I know that when y is 0, its value, or y of 0 is equal to 10. So if I substitute 0 and 10 into this equation, I can substitute 0 in for x and 10 in for y, and I can use that to find out what c would have to be. So this would be 100 or 10 squared equals 0 squared plus c. So that would mean c would have to be 100. So then I can go back up here to this step I was at right there, and I can say y squared is equal to x squared plus 100. And now I can take the square root of both sides. And this is y is equal to plus or minus the square root of x squared plus 100. Kind of, sort of. That's it. It does not. It's not the same. To prove it's not the same, let's pick a value for x.
Actually, it is the same because you can take the square root of both things inside.
It's not the same. Let's pick a value for x.
5.
Great. So, so 5 equals x.
Was
So what's 5 squared?
Jordan's college basketball coach.
Oh my gosh, I don't know.
I asked you this question yesterday.
And I didn't know yesterday.
Okay.
Why did you
Well,
tell me
guessed
that?
it. What was the answer to Final Jeopardy last night?
I didn't watch Final Jeopardy last night. Okay.
Oh yeah,
I
remember watching
I watched Family Guy last night.
Oh.
Okay, what's 5 squared?
Liar, because Family Guy's on from 5:30 to 6 normally.
No, it's on from 6 to 7 on channel 11.
Huh.
There's a channel 11?
On cable.
Oh, okay. Oh, do you have charter?
Yeah. I live in Billings.
I just don't watch
Okay,
TV
anyway.
very often.
Okay.
Well, you can't get cable around.
I know you can.
Hey.
I'm not rubbing it in. You brought it up.
God, why is it so hot?
Jeez.
Oh my God.
All of this because seriously, you're just trying to mask 5 squared is what?
45.
Plus 100 is? The square root of 125 is not 15. Okay? No. Not the same. You have to leave it plus or minus the square root of x squared plus 10. All right? Not the same. All right.
Not sure about it.
Positive. I do this for... It's because you're taking the square root of the sum of things, not the square root of 2 individual things. The square root is different when you add them together versus when you're taking the square root of 2 things individually. It becomes different when you add them versus when you are taking them individually and then adding them. It's the order of operations. Oh my gosh, you made it hostile.
Never ask a question.
Yeah, no, that's the lesson.
Salty.
Ah.
Is this recording?
Yes, it's recording. The green things are up. It's recording. Good lord.
Whose fault is that?
All right.
Today is salty time.
Well, I mean, like, if I hadn't just gone over it.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, so
But the reason I asked was because you had 2 things that could be square rooted, and that's
Okay.
why it was different than the warm-up problem. That's why I asked
Yes.
again. But excuse me for having curiosity.
no. Hey, I'm fine with your curiosity. You're right. I hate curiosity in all its forms.
Yeah, you're right.
All right.
Are you gonna hear this argument really well on the video?
Yeah, because I'm right next to. You're gonna hear my part at least. It might sound like I'm an insane person arguing with nothing. Okay. All right. So let's say that I'm not to get too political here, but let's say that I make a small loan of $2 million from my father,
Oh my gosh.
and
The teacher.
I'm just saying, a small illegal loan of $2 million of casino chips for my father.
That makes more sense.
And I put this small illegal loan of casino chips into a bank account that earns 6% interest, because if you're rich, you can get a bank account that earns over 5% interest, because the rich are able to get that. 6% APR. If you're poor, your bank accounts earn 0.1% interest.
I feel like you're really like upset about this.
Yes,
I
feel upset.
I'm real upset about a lot of political things today. I'm trying to keep
You're
it
just
under.
gonna try to roast on Trump? Is that what
Oh
you're
no.
It's not only Trump that does this.
What is it called?
Okay, if you really want to know what I'm way more mad about Elsie Arnson.
Oh.
Way more mad about her than I am about anything
Oh,
else.
what'd you do?
Well, I looked at
Did she win?
in November.
Yeah, she won. So what did you mad about?
I looked at a roundup demographic map for her, and like, I'm just fired up.
Why?
What
Oh,
was the
what is
demographic?
Did nobody vote for her?
Okay, so like, I've read this. Okay, I've read every
You
single
wanna pause
interview.
your video?
Yeah, I do. I super do.
Why?
Just kidding.
That's not pausing it.
Teacher room.